What's up, guys? It's Jayton, Head of Research and Product Development here at UMZU, back again with another supplement review. Let's get into this one. So today we're looking at Jacked Factory's L-Arginine Nitric Oxide Booster. So right off the bat, we can see that they have a money-back guarantee, which is really good. And they do actually have a Gmp certification, so that's actually a good manufacturing practice facility, which is good to look at. They do say that they have research-backed ingredients. There is research available for this ingredients, but they don't offer any for us to actually dive into, which is kind of sketch. I always like to have the company themselves offer up the research, so right off the bat, so I can look into it and actually see what they're talking about. But needless to say, let's get into the ingredient and see if this is actually a good product. So this product actually only has one ingredient. It's Inositol-stabilized Arginine silicate or salicylate. This ingredient has been shown to be effective for insulin sensitivity and PCOS in some cases, according to the research, but has a secondary benefit of decreasing blood pressure. That's really all that I was able to find on this. That's the only ingredient that they have. This product is actually pretty cheap too. I'm going to be honest, you're going to get what you pay for. Really, this ingredient from the manufacturing perspective is actually kind of cheap. So all you're really paying for is the bottle and the manufacturing process, not necessarily the ingredient that you're getting with it. So honestly, don't know about this one. Now, on a scale from 0 to 30, I would give this one about a 12, simply because they do have the money-back guarantee. They do have the GMP certification, which is good. Those are always two things that I like to look for. Unfortunately, they didn't have the research available for us to look at, and they only have one ingredient, which is kind of weird. I don't think that's the most effective approach when trying to increase nitric oxide, especially for performance. But needless to say, that's really all I have to say about this ingredient. So if you liked this video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm doing all kinds of product reviews and all kinds of different topics, so as well as some other types of videos that you might be interested in on this channel. So please subscribe if you're interested in that. I also have a newsletter where I go over a single ingredient Monday through Friday. I'll send you an email, and what it is basically just what that ingredient is, the possible benefits of it, the possible side effects of it, how it works, a little bit of research in there if you're into that kind of thing, and then my preferred source of that supplement, and then a little bit of other goodies in there that you might like. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to you next time.